Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. simpledateformat is a class in Java that is used to format and parse dates in a locale-sensitive manner. One of its features is the ability to handle time zones, which can be crucial for applications that operate across different geographical locations. Understanding time zones in Java. Java uses the timezone class to represent time zones. When formatting dates, you can specify the time zone you want to use. The time zone can affect the way dates are displayed, especially when dealing with UTC versus local time. Using simple date format with time zone. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to use simple date format with time zones in Java. Step 1, import required classes. First, you'll need to import the classes you'll be using. Step 2, create a simple date format instance. You can create an instance of simple date format by specifying a date format string. The format string can contain various symbols to represent parts of the date and time. Step 3, set the time zone. To set the time zone for your simple date format instance, you can use the set time zone method. Step 4, format the date. You can then format a date object to a string representation in your desired time zone. Code example. Here's a complete example that demonstrates how to use simple date format with different time zones. Output. When you run the above code, you will see output similar to the following, but with the actual current date and time. Explanation. One date object. The date object represents the current date and time. 2. Simple date format. An instance of simple date format is created with the format YYYYMMDDHHMMSS. 3. Setting time zones. The timezone.getTimeZone method is used to retrieve the desired time zone. The setTimeZone method applies this time zone to the simple date format instance. 4. Formatting. The formatted date string is printed for each time zone. Conclusion. Using simple date format with time zones allows you to accurately represent dates in different locales, which is essential for international applications. Just remember that simple date format is not thread safe, so if you're working in a multi-threaded environment, consider using java.time.format.datetime formatter from the Java 8 Time API for better thread safety and flexibility. Feel free to ask if you have any more questions.